Hey y'all, what's up? It's me, Jessica. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a wig review for you guys. This one is super gorgeous. She's a textured wig. This one is from RPG Show and I just love everything about it. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive right into the video. This wig is from RPG Show. This is their Kinky 001 wig. As you can see, she has a lot of body, a lot of texture. She is not shy with the texture. I really love these textured units because they mimic natural tresses. They also look like relaxed hair when you flat iron relaxed hair or blow dry relaxed hair. And it also looks like, you know, a really good, nice press out if your hair is natural. Right now I'm showing you guys the inside of the wig. This is a glueless cap A construction and it comes with 3 combs. It is a lace front wig and you get a lot of lace, so if you wanted to part it, you have enough space to part your wig any which way you would like. Right now I'm just trying to tone down the volume on the top of the wig. I'm going to blow dry her using this new golden hot blow dryer. They literally just sent this to me and I wanted to try it out. It's not my favorite blow dryer. I don't really like this blow dryer. I feel like it really did not get as hot as I would like it. Not that I needed to get really hot, but just like, come on girl, give me some heat. And then I decided to press this unit out because I really wanted the hairline to be really smooth. I wasn't going to press the entire wig out, but just around that perimeter, kind of smooth her back a little bit, you know, make her look as natural as possible. And this is also from Golden Hot. They sent me this electric, not flat iron, a press and comb. I ain't used one in so long, y'all. But again, it just didn't get as hot. I had this on 500 degrees and it felt like it was on 200 degrees. Like, where's the smoke? I don't see no smoke. It was just not doing it for me. I mean, if you want to save your edges, girl, then, you know, by all means. But like, this really wasn't doing much. It got the job done, but I don't know. If you guys know of any really good electric pressing combs, let me know. Because I really want to get one, especially like for my wigs. Then I decided to go in with my flat iron. This one is by Baby Bliss. This is their titanium flat iron. Now this gets the job done, okay? I wasn't going for a super sleek look. I didn't want it to be super straight because that would defeat the purpose of a kinky straight wig. Actually, it wouldn't if you really like that textured sleek look, because there is a difference between super straight, like a Indian Remy or like a Brazilian straight versus a kinky straight. There is a difference. There is some texture still with the kinky straight, even if you decide to do like a silk press or whatever. So I just wanted to kind of sleek her out just a little bit. Now, before I cut the lace, I have to share with you guys their tinted transparent Swiss lace. RPG Show is the only company that has this tinted transparent Swiss lace. I showed you guys in my previous video how transparent it is. And as you can see, it literally melts into my skin. Like, look at that. Without adding makeup or any products, it just really blends into your skin. And I love how natural it is. The lace on this particular Swiss lace, the grids are smaller, so it gives you a more natural look. So now that that's out of the way, I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut the lace. Now, I like to cut my lace while my wig is still on the mannequin head because I just feel like I can get a precise, you know, accurate measure of how much lace I want to cut off. I'm not a pro, so I gotta be very careful. Okay, so this is my hair. I just have some straight to the side braids. And I'm just taking a little bit of edge control to lay down like my flyaways. I'm using a weaving wig cap because I like this better than like the stocking cap. It's just my preference. I just prefer this over the stocking cap. And I'm just going to put that right behind my hairline. And I'm just gonna throw that wig on and kind of adjust her to get her to fit. I haven't worn a wig, like a straight wig, in so long, so it's kind of weird for me in a sense, because I'm always wearing big curly hair. So I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be Freeze spray so that I can lay that lace. And you guys know me, I'm not one of those girls who lays the wigs down. Like, I don't do all that. I do enough. I do enough to keep her attached to my head. So I just literally lay down the middle, and then I'll probably just lay down one side. I won't even do the other. I'll just do one side. It's just a preference. I like to keep it simple. At the end of the day, I just like to snatch my wig off my head. So that's why I do it like this. So now I'm just applying some edge control to the wig, just to kind of like, you know, get her to go back a little bit. And I'm gonna get better at doing this. I didn't pluck too much hair because I didn't want to mess the wig up, so I can always go back and do that. I'm just defining that part, and this is the completed look. I love how sleek this, oh my god, I love it. Like, this is perfect. Fall is right around the corner, so I like this like everyday girl on the go type of wig. This is like a really gorgeous everyday wig. Even with flat ironing her on 450 degrees, she still has a lot of texture left, like a lot of texture. So I can't wait to play with this wig and play with the, like, you know, other styles, like curl her. I like her dark, but you know me, I'm a color girl. I like playing with color, and then even adding accessories, she looks cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. If you have not, leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.